How to use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use your Visa gift card on Walmart online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open your browser and go to walmart.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. In order to use your Visa gift card, we have to go to the checkout process, and for this, first of all, just make sure you've added items to your cart. Then click the cart icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then from here you can choose pick up a delivery. Then from the bottom you can just select the option called check out all items. As you go to this option called check out all items, it will ask you to review the order. So now you can simply select, and now here you can say it will ask me to select payment method. So if you want to use your Visa gift card, it's very simple. So right under this card section, you can see they accept Visa as well as also gift card. So depending upon whether you have a gift card or whether it is a Visa gift card, simply make sure to enter the card details over here, because it doesn't matter what kind of card it is, you can simply enter your Visa gift card details here. After that, you can just hit the continue button from the bottom. Depending upon the value of the card, it will be successfully used to purchase this product. This way you will be able to use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.